Okay, the breaking news coming in is that the CBI has sought 5 days remand for Arvind Kejriwal. CBI has said, and I quote, "I can't disclose a lot of things, but there is something that we need to confront him with." CBI says that it needs Kejriwal's custodial interrogation since he is failing to even recognize that Vijay Nair was working under him. Arunima joins us now for the very latest on this. Arunima, so the CBI has formally arrested Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi liquor policy case. The question is, why wasn't this arrest made earlier, and why was permission given by Rouse Avenue Court to the CBI to examine him?
See, two things. One, CBI said that they had enough material by the time it was the month of April. But this is when election was heating up. This is when Supreme Court was willing to grant him, interim bail for campaigning. And CBI says that if he had arrested him at that point, politically it would have been construed as trying to interfere with the electoral and democratic process. And that's why CBI says we waited, we held on. But now we have to file the final charge sheet by July. We are running out of time, and there are some evidence that we need to confront him with. Now, top CBI officials have told me, I can confirm to you this, that after K. Kavita's questioning, fresh evidence has emerged about how the conspiracy was allegedly hashed between K. Kavita, the South Group, and Arvind Kejriwal. And this fresh evidence that has emerged, it's digital evidence recovered from the mobile phones of some of the suspects. It's also the chain of money that has traveled from the South Group up until Goa. 44 crores CBI has already come on record to acknowledge, but there's more that they have, and they want to confront Arvind Kejriwal with that evidence. Even though CBI officials say they're not very hopeful, because Kejriwal, for everything that he has asked, has been extremely non-cooperative, saying, "I'm not aware," Sisodia knows. But even then, to complete the procedure under PC Act, they want to bring that evidence before him.
Interesting. Arunima, just kindly stay on with me. Some reactions have also come in. We'll just come back to you.
पूरे तथ्य, परमाणु और आपस की व्हाट्सएप की चैट के आधार पर पूर्ण सबूतों को देखकर ही ईडी ने शराब घोटाले में घूसखोरी करने के कारण अरविंद केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार किया था। और न्यायालय ने खुद टिप्पणी करते हुए कहा था कि प्राइम एफएसी केजरीवाल एज ए प्रेसिडेंट आम आदमी पार्टी और एज ए सीएम दिल्ली दोनों ही स्थितियों में शराब घोटाले के मुख्य साजिशकर्ता हैं। सीबीआई निष्पक्ष जांच एजेंसी है, जांच होनी चाहिए, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होना चाहिए। शराब घोटाले की बड़ी लूट हुई है, गरीबों को लूटा गया है, टैक्स पेयर्स मनी को लूटकर अपने पॉलिटिकल मोटिव्स को पूरा करने के लिए लगाया गया, और उसके लिए केजरीवाल पूर्णतः जिम्मेवार दिख रहे हैं। हर दोषी पर कठोर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
देखिए, न्याय सिर्फ होना नहीं चाहिए, दिखना चाहिए कि न्याय हो। पहले जमानत हो जाती है उनकी, जमानत की रिहाई के पहले ही हाई कोर्ट चली जाती है ईडी का मालूम है कि हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसे पसंद नहीं किया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं कि जिस तरह उन्हें रोका गया है। तो अब सीबीआई बीच में गिरफ्तारी बने रहे इसके लिए आई है। तो जब ऐसी परिस्थितियां आएंगी, आम आदमी पार्टी विचार करके कानूनी ढंग से जो करना होगा करेगी। मैं तो सिर्फ एक दर्शक के रूप में इसे प्रतिक्रिया दे रहा हूँ।
Time for a short break. Stay tuned. I'll be back with lots more. Keep watching CNN News 18 for all the big updates.